Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and we're taking a look at the numbers for, actually these numbers were taken on November 25th with a sample of 100,000 computers. So this is from AdDuplex, and it's the monthly market share of the different versions of Windows 10. So first of all, if you're wondering why you don't have Windows 10 May 2020 update, well, 37.6% only are on that version. That's still the most popular version of Windows 10 right now by a small margin. It did lose a little bit, and it probably lost to the fact that the October 2020 update is now at 8.8%. So together, the versions of 2020, that's the May 2020 update, October 2020 update, together they are at 46%, roughly 46.4%, something like that. Now, the increase is faster now. It's getting faster for the October 2020 update, which is kind of interesting. An interesting number is the 1909 version, the November 2019 update. This one was at 33% last month. It moved up to 36.4%. And the reason why is simple, is that everybody on 1903 is being pushed to Windows 10 November update 1909. So instead of pushing everybody to the latest version of Windows 10, Microsoft has decided to just push them to the cumulative update that brings them to 1909. So it actually made 1909 gain momentum here. And if that continues, I would guess that maybe next month we could have the surprise that the 1909 version has more people than the May 2020 update, because it did catch up quite a lot. But it is interesting to see that the October 2020 update is at 8.8%. So, a lot of people are asking me, I don't have it, I don't see it. Look, only barely 9% of people have it. So that tells you that although it's rolling out a little faster, it's still probably a lot of people are still not seeing it, or at least not installing it. So don't worry about that. A lot of you are on 1909 still, which is a year-old version. So, and everybody on 1903 is actually being pushed to 1909 right now. So eventually, you guys will be moving ahead at some other version. So that's the numbers for the November updates, or the November versions of Windows 10, November 2020, as we are today, November the 26th, 2020. And these are the market share numbers for Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.